Welcome. If you want to change brightness level in Samsung Frame TV, at first you have to go for the main menu. Next you have to go for the settings. Click OK, and right now you have to go for the right side, go for the expert settings, and in this place you have to click OK and then move to the left. Or to the right. As you can see, in this way we can easily increase or decrease currently brightness level. After that you can just simply go back. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.